Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Word, open File, then Account or Options immediately and Act Now. Once there, sign in if required so theme settings can sync. Next, locate Office Theme. This is the global control that changes App Chrome. Choose Light from the Office Theme menu. Make sure to hit Apply or Close options so the change persists. This first step flips the overall UI from dark to light and prepares Word for document-level color tweaks. Once you've set the Office theme, move to File Options General and confirm Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office shows light. This is why the earlier sign-in matters. It ensures the setting applies across devices. Then check the Design tab inside a document. If the page color is still dark, choose Page Color and select White. You must change both the App Chrome and the page color because Word can separately control UI and document backgrounds. Finish by saving settings and restarting Word to ensure everything sticks. If you still see dark areas, inspect Windows theme and high contrast settings. The OS can force dark elements into apps. Also verify you didn't enable switch modes like dark mode in accessibility. If the theme reverts, sign out of your Microsoft account and sign back in to force sync. This often resolves mismatched cloud settings. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the app and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.